Hey everyone! Quick question. How many times have you dragged a heavy corded vacuum across the house, tripped on the cable, and thought, there has to be a better way? Well, there is. And today, I am showing you why the Lirios Q7 cordless vacuum cleaner could be your new cleaning BFF. And yes, the link is right down in the description and first comment, because trust me, you'll want to check it out. This stick vacuum is cordless, lightweight, and self-standing. No more wrestling with cables or finding a corner to lean it against. It just stands there like a loyal puppy until you're ready. Once you try it, you'll want to use it every day. Power matters, right? This beauty packs 580 watts and up to 48 kPa suction strength with 3 power levels. From light dust on hardwood floors to pet hair on carpets, it handles everything. I personally use the turbo mode for my dog's fur, and it doesn't miss a single hair. Pet owners, you're covered. Battery life? 65 minutes of runtime. Enough for the whole house without recharging. And when it's time, the wall mount charging system doubles as sleek storage. Plus, the LED display shows battery percentage and suction level, so you're never caught off guard. The adjustable shaft size is another win. Shorter folks, no more bending or back pain. And emptying the dustbin? One click, hygienic, no mess. Goodbye dusty vacuum bags forever. The upgraded roller brush transitions smoothly from carpet to hardwood. And the LED headlight reveals hidden dust under furniture. It's like CSI. Clean house. Now let's talk reliability. The build is solid and customer service is outstanding. Quick, responsive, supportive. Honestly, it feels premium without the premium price. And yes, I'll say it. This vacuum performs like a Dyson, but for way less. I replaced my Dyson with the Lirios Q7, and I haven't looked back. To wrap it up, whether you've got pets, kids, a rental condo, or just want a vacuum that makes cleaning less of a chore, the Lirios Q7 cordless vacuum cleaner ticks all the boxes. Powerful, practical, affordable, and stylish enough to keep in your living room corner. So hit the link in the description or first comment, check it out, and thank me later. Because once you try it, you'll never go back to fighting with a heavy corded vacuum again. Now, if only it made coffee. Maybe in the next upgrade, right?